you'd like to take a family vacation, but you have no idea where to start in the planning process. Well, you are in luck because Andrea is here, founder of the Family Backpack. Congratulations, first of all, on launching this site. And I was just talking to you a little about this is brilliant. The Family Backpack is a new travel and lifestyle company. And this came out of necessity for you, right?
Yes, yes. Just in years of planning vacations, we have 3 kids, and it's just so overwhelming. There's so much out there on the web.
Yeah.
And so I had an aha moment, like, what if we took it and condensed it all into one site, and you could still get the best advice that's out there, but not have to spend 20 hours trolling the internet yourself.
Right. And I was telling you, this is wonderful for me because I'm not good at it. I know there are, ideas, and if you read the right blogs and like that, but I'm not good at it. It's overwhelming to me. So this is just a one-stop shop, right?
Yep, it is. It is. We really cover everything from planning to things to do in different destinations to once you have the trip planned, you can look at blog posts for packing list ideas and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so this is one. So we'll click you through because people can go online right now, right? It's up and active. It's only been up for a couple of weeks. Okay. And here's a live look at the site right now. But people can go, even if maybe you know where you want to go, or if you don't have a clue, right?
Right.
Any point in the process.
Right. Exactly. So one of the first places I think is a great start is inspiration.
Okay.
So really, maybe you don't have any idea where to go, and it's a great place to start. And one of the categories is bucket list, because why wait till you're 70? Life's too short. Start on that bucket list now.
Yeah.
So there's some really great ideas like best family castles in Ireland.
Cool.
Vacation ideas throughout Europe, the United States. It's really a great place to start.
And the other thing you said too, because as we know as parents, there are many different parenting styles and perspectives. So this is kind of a way to hear from everybody.
It really is. It's taking multiple family blog posts, and so you get the best advice from a lot of different parents that have lived it and done it and achieved success.
Very cool. The Family Backpack. So again, how's the feedback been so far?
It's been really great. It's been really great. People are really excited about it, and have found it really useful. And again, it takes that overwhelming feeling, and you want to feel like you've spent time planning a vacation.
Yeah.
But we're all busy too as parents.
Right.
And so we don't have 40 hours to spend on planning a vacation.
Okay, speaking of overwhelming, I still have never taken my children on a flight. But these are one of the things you address, right?
Yes.
Things like different ages and stuff?
Exactly. Well, there's a whole section called Before You Travel, and it covers all of those. So there's even a specific area on babies and toddlers.
Wow.
So if it is your first time flying, it talks about tips and ideas of things to pack and activities to do on the plane, because that can be a little scary, that first plane ride.
Oh my gosh, I love this. You really thought of everything. And again, and you're a Wisconsin girl, right?
I am. I'm from La Crosse, and we live in Shorewood. And
wonderful. Well, congratulations again. The Family Backpack, and again, we've got a link to her site from our site, fox6now.com, if you want to get packing, traveling, planning, even if it's years from now, right?
Exactly.
It's fun to just look at it.
Start now.
All right.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you. We'll be back after this.